Happy Thursday. So I decided to go live because I was I started this new habit. It's they call it 20 20 20, and they said it's meant to help you improve your life, help you reach your goals. And what it is basically is 20 minutes. It's an hour of your day. You wake up an hour earlier than you normally would. And then you split it into three, which means 20 minute increments. So the first 20 minutes would be for movement, for exercise. You just do it. You don't think about it, and you choose a situation where it's not overcomplicated. You don't need to dress up or whatever it is. Just move your body for 20 minutes. The next thing is 20 minutes podcast, meaning, well, 20 minutes of mindset, setting your mind, um, feeding your mind with good things, to learn something new. And the final 20 minutes is basically planning. So, what are the things that are most important for you, and what do you want to achieve in your life? So basically, top 10 things that you must do before you die, 10 things that you must do within the next 10 years, and then you break it down. So it got me thinking while I was watching this video by Earl Nightingale. I don't know if you know this guy. Hello, Zel Todd. I don't know if you know this guy, but he's like the OG in mind setting, training your mind, and attracting what you want. And I thought, why not? I'm gonna do it anyway. Why not invite some people? If you're watching right now, or if you're watching inside or outside this live, and you feel this resonates with you, that you want at some point in your day to think about what you really want in your life. Feel free to join and feel free to share your thoughts. And and even the Bible says this. So if you believe in God, even the Bible says this. If the people don't have vision, without vision, the people will perish. And I guess this is what's happening to a lot of people right now, because they don't have a clear set goal for their life. Alam mo yun, parang when we talk about it with other people, we get excited. But then after that, we go to work and we forget about it. So I think for me, I just want to create this avenue where people can freely talk about their dreams. And of course, there would be a lot of haters. But so what, right? Forget about that. I've talked to a lot of successful people, and they say the most important thing, really, the most important thing is to have vision for your life, to really know where you're going, and not only what your boss wants for you. So, or what your family or what the society dictates for you to do or for you to have. So I don't know. I will maybe try this out, go on lives, and if anyone wants to join and share their vision for their life, that would be great. Not even just vision for their life, vision for the day. Like for me, for example, for today, I have a vision to, because one of my goals right now is really to lose the weight. I have gained a lot of weight, and I can make a lot of excuses about it. But at the end of the day, it's not a huge, magnificent goal na gusto kong gawin. I am trying to do it, day by day. So there would be a lot of haters, I understand. But, wala naman silang maibibigay sa akin eh, towards my goal, di ba? So what's important is how I am able to reach it, what helps me to reach it. So if this in some way will help you, feel free to shoot me a message. We can go live together, or we can have conversations. Because we don't have enough of these conversations where we talk about what we really want and how we're going to achieve those goals. Parati lang, it's like growing up sa akin maraming, growing up, we get encouraged na parang, sige, kaya mo yan, ganyan. Then at some point in your life, pagka-graduate mo, or not even before you graduate, not even when you graduate. Parang people tell you, masyado kang ambisyosa, 'di ba? So, there's a confusion there. So, for me, I want to create this community. I want to create these conversations where it could be a safe space for us to talk about how we can achieve our goals. Kasi to be honest, ang daming negativity, di ba? So, halimbawa, losing the weight, sobrang um, daming resources online. Totoo yan. Sobrang daming, alam na natin kung anong kailangan gawin, pero bakit hindi mo ginagawa? And one of the reasons daw is because you don't talk about it enough. You don't think about it enough. You don't plan about it enough. Ang mas iniisip mo is, kaya ko ba talaga to? Ano bang dapat gawin? Alam mo yun, you're stuck in overthinking on how to do it. So, yeah, let me know your thoughts if you're here, and you think this is a good idea to actually talk about what we want to achieve. It doesn't have to be like 10 years from now or 5 years from now. It could be your next big goal this month, diba? Or next goal doesn't have to be big goal. Like your next goal for this month or your next goal for next month or by the end of the year. And we can have it in a private conversation. We have it in a live. For me, it's just more effective, I think, to have to share the energy kasi at the end of the day, we're all in this together. Yeah. Ano bang tawag doon? High School Musical. We're all in this together. Na it's what we let in. Kung anong pinapapasok natin sa isip natin, kung anong pinapapasok natin sa buhay natin, what other people say. So, if we can build a strong enough community, diba, to talk about what we want, to talk about what we want in our lives and how to actually achieve them, why not? We can achieve it together. So, for those of you who joined, thank you so much. And it's actually just gonna be a quick live like this, to talk about what you want. It could be longer, depends na lang sa mood. But the point of the live is the point of the getting together is to talk about is why not you? Don't you think it's time na ikaw naman ang maka-achieve ng goals mo? Don't you think it's about time na ikaw naman ang nire-recognize or pinagpapasalamatan, hindi yung ikaw yung nanghihingi naman? So if this resonates with you, let's do it together. This was just a trial. Let's see how it works. If it helps someone, well and good. But for me, it boosts my energy just to be rambling or talking about it. Maybe I can refine it in some months down the road. But let's see. So, yeah. Have a nice Thursday.